Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique crafting page. So we're making pillows tonight. Y'all know I love to make pillows out of various materials. So we're doing 3 different ones. We're going to use this bag, a chair cover, and a towel. I'm just cutting the bottom out of this bag. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so see, there's the bottom. Just toss that. You don't need that. So then you just have your bag like this. You're just going to match your seams up on your side, and then just glue them together with hot glue. So just do that on both sides. Match your seams up and then just glue it with your hot glue. And then glue the bottom closed after you do your sides. And then I'm just stuffing it with polyfill. Just enough to get a layer in there. So I'm just gluing the top closed now that we got the polyfill in there. So just glue, glue, glue. So see, there's our first pillow. The next one we're doing is the chair cover. So this, it's just simple dimple. It's already sewed up on the 3 sides. So we're just, all you have to do literally is put you some polyfill in here. Alright, so see, I've got that filled up with the polyfill. Now, let me get this to where y'all can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to kind of tuck the white part and then pull the printed part up and glue it like that, okay? Work in a small section. So there's that one. And then the last one is this, which I love. It says Sweet Land of Liberty, and it's got the little boots. Alright, so I'm going to fold it to where the good sides are facing each other. And I'm just going to glue the sides together. And then just push your corners out, because they'll be stuck in there looking all crazy. So see, now that's what you have once you flip it inside out. And then you're just gonna, this is the point where you're gonna stuff it with your polyfill. I'm just going to fold these ends, this bottom end, a little bit. Can y'all see what I'm talking about? Or fold it under, I should say. So that when I glue it, this will look like a finished seam also. Now that I have my seam the way I want it, I'm just going to lift up and put glue between it. That's that one. Is that not cute? Sweet Land of Liberty.